The people with him very welcome on the shore. They did not understand the lapis like a man. Because kasi natin ang waray-waray man. When Magellan nandito Cebu City, Rahas meet him, they were very happy. All people were baptized and in the church of Christ. And that's the beginning of our Catholic life. When Magellan visited Baghdad, the Christianized everyone. Lapu-Lapu met him on the shore, and right Magellan go back home. Then Magellan got so mad, ordered his men to come off land. Up an island they could not grab, 'cause Lapu-Lapu is very hard. Then the battle began at dawn. Bows and spears, pesos, guns and cannon. When Magellan was hit on his neck, he stumbled down and cried and cried. "Oh, mother, mother, I am sick. I'll call the doctor very quick. Oh, doctor, shall I die?" "No, my mama, do not cry. No, my mama, do not cry." And that's the story of Magellan in the island of Mactan a long, long time ago. Oh, you see? Better because the Philippine history the musical way.
Yes, but is it factually accurate? Will it get the approval of the Philippine Historical Commission?
Let's just concentrate on teaching them by entertaining. It's really more fun in the Philippines.
So how do we keep the infotainment going?
Maybe we could share with our beloved visitors tips on how to get along with us Filipinos and better understand our unique characteristics, customs, and idiosyncrasies.
What idiosyncrasies? I am not an idiot. I'm not idiot.
Oh, you see? Like that. I said idiosyncrasies and not idiosyncrasies. You're angry and thinking, and idiotic reaction is an example of your being balat sibuyas.
What's balat sibuyas? Translate.